Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day where we spend our cash. I spend money. I got another pair of shoes, but this time it was a necessary purchase. Now it looks like I got Alexander McQueen's, but they're not Alexander McQueen's. Let me not lie to you guys. Alexander McQueen money is not here right now, but it's okay because we get the dupes anyway. So I decided to get Alexander McQueen inspired trainers, and I really actually like Alexander McQueen's, but I don't want to spend £400 on trainers right now. I'm not saying I'll never do it because I do love trainers, but right now, yes, alright, you know, I would rather spend 30 than 400 right now, but probably later on in the future I'll probably get myself a pair of McQueen. So I decided to get some trainers from Shoe. That's what it looks like. You've got the shoe wallpaper. Wow, I was gonna call this wallpaper. How sad. No, that is really sad. I have worn these trainers once, so it's not a real unboxing, but don't tell anybody that. So these are shoes. That's what they look like. As you can see, like the sole is pretty much like an Alexander McQueen sole. I have worn them, so they are dirty, but like Alexander McQueen's kind of have like this design on it as well. So that's the shoe, and then it's got like this really, like, on camera it looks more bronzy, but I think it's more like rose gold. It's more like a rosy goldy. I think you guys can see it better there, but literally they're just plain white. They've got the white laces. I think like when I'm wearing them out I will change the lace color because I'm just cool like that, but they actually are really comfortable. I would say next time, like, maybe go up a size because they do come up a little bit, just a teeny bit small, just a little bit, not small to the point where I'm like, oh my god, ow ow ow. It's a shoe. This is Alexander McQueen inspired shoe. They were about £30. I think they were on sale. Yeah, they were on sale for about £30. So you've got the stitch detailing there, you've got the eyelet detail, you've got the collar detail just like the Alexander McQueen's. Oh, my lace is dirty already. Basically guys, the trainers are £30. I got them from Shoe. Alexander McQueen inspired, but not Alexander McQueen. But it's okay. One day. So I think actual Alexander McQueen's are made out of leather, so I guess that's the difference that you have to, you know, figure out when you're buying McQueen's. They are real leather. I believe they are real leather for that price, whereas the shoes from Shoe are plastic. They are a good investment. The sole is really sturdy, so you have that nice sturdy sole. The actual material of the trainer is actually not bad. It feels quite sturdy. The sole itself is really comfortable to wear. I do not see any problems with it. As I said, if you want to splash your money on McQueen's, please do. If you want to splash your money on Shoe, please do. But £430 is a big difference. As I said, if I did have £400 to spend, I probably would have bought McQueen's, and one day I will, because I just really love this style of trainer anyway in general. Like, I've always loved like Alexander McQueen trainers, period. So I will get them one day, but for now I'm really satisfied with the dupes from Shoe. I cannot fault them. I cannot say that it was not worth the price, because it actually was. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review on my Alexander McQueen trainers. So they're actually called Breezy, for anyone who actually wants to go and buy them. They are called Breezy. So yeah, that's the name of the shoe. So if you are looking for this kind of shoe and you just happen to want to purchase it, that's the name of the shoe. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.